proximal phalanges level. Dahil na kayo siya, ha? Then done for your flexor digitorum longus and flexor hallucis longus. So, sa hallucis longus, ato ka sa big toe. Flexor digitorum longus, ato ka sa imong second, third, fourth, and fifth. Dapat sa imong proximal. Yung mo rin na irisis, hindi siya mo ni-curl niya, then palpate is there.
Takong brain, barang ka nga kanina.
Okay, here?
Next.
Okay, sit up, short sitting up. Okay, na-is na po. Okay, for your abductor hallucis, so you just ask your patient, abductor. Just ask your patient to, subject to move the big toe medially. Again, it's hard. This will be shape perform. Ang big toe ba, igurang yung paana. Then, palpate for the muscle here, the medial side. Paana nito. Paana ha, abduct. There is this. Then, palpate it here. So, ask the patient, sir, I want you to move your big toe away from your second toe. Then, palpate the muscle here. Rare kayo siya na action. If ever, rare kayo na to perform abduction of the big toe. So, that would be your abductor hallucis. Then, abductor digiti minimi brevis. So, as the patient, sir, I want you to move your little toe towards the lateral side or away from your other toes. Paana. Then, after na, you palpate for your abductor digiti minimi here. Buwan ang muscle. Igahin ang muscle din. So, palpate for your abductor digiti minimi. Muscle belly ni siya. So, pwede rin yun. All your toes. Appeal natin ang big toe mo. Spread na siya. Spread. So, more ni siya. More mo abduct. So, palpate on the medial side, you have your abductor hallucis. The lateral, you have your abductor digiti minimi. Action sa ang saan sa mga abductor digiti minimi. Imo na yun, sir, I want you to move your little toes away from your other toes or parang dali lang, sir, I want you to spread your toes away from each other. So spreading that away from each other, tendency ay no big toe, more go towards the medial side, yung lateral, little toe going towards, more laterally towards siya. And palpate for the muscle there.
Fit pa din na.
Okay. So for your rectus femoris muscle, sir, I will just want you to bend your trunk or move your head and neck towards, try to move it towards the knee. There. Okay. Where is that? Here. So that will be for your rectus abdominis. Okay, for your external oblique and internal oblique muscle. So you ask the patient, so you palpate on both sides. Okay, sir, I want you to move your trunk. You try to lift it up and rotate your trunk so that your right shoulder would tend to rotate towards the mouth. Sir, after the count of 6. There. So, there ka po palpate. Once you palpate that one on this side, so on the left side, okay, on the left side, you're palpating for your left internal oblique. The left side, you're palpating for your internal oblique. On the right side, you're palpating your external oblique. On the right side. And i-rotate sa imong trunk, but we mentioned that one. Diba ang imong external oblique paana, internal oblique paana, here. So i-rotate mo towards here. So morning to how mo activate here. So you have your left internal oblique and your right external oblique. Parang siya, ganun niya ipalpate. Okay, here, any questions? Then, anytime.